In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for an image on Reddit. If you're trying to find picture-based posts quickly, Reddit makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful if you want to browse memes, reference images, screenshots, artwork, or any other visual content without digging through long text posts. To get started, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser by opening the Reddit website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're on the main Reddit interface, where the search feature is easy to access. If you already have an account and you're signed in, that's fine. But for a basic image search, you usually just need access to the site itself. Next, click on the search bar and enter the word image. After typing it in, press enter so Reddit can show you the search results. At this point, Reddit will begin displaying posts, communities, and other related content that matches your search term. If your goal is to focus specifically on visual results, don't worry if the first page looks a little mixed at first. That's normal because Reddit search often includes several content types together. Once the results appear, you'll see a section for media. This is the part that helps narrow things down to more visual content. Look for the option that says "See More" and click it. This expands the media results so you can browse additional image-related posts more easily. It's a helpful way to skip past less relevant text-based results and get straight to the pictures and videos connected to your search. As you scroll through the media section, you can open any result that looks relevant. If needed, you can always go back and adjust your search term to be more specific. For example, instead of searching only for image, you might later try a topic plus the word image to get more targeted results. But for this process, the key idea is simply using Reddit search, then switching your attention to the media results for a more visual browsing experience. That's all there is to it. Go to Reddit, use the search bar to enter image, and then open the media section by clicking See More. With those few steps, you can quickly search for image-based content on Reddit in a much more efficient way.